Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a recipe for super soft buns stuffed with spicy paneer. If you prefer non-vegetarian fillings, you can easily substitute the paneer with chicken. These paneer stuffed buns are perfect for breakfast, lunch or even dinner, any time of the day. Let's get into the recipe. Take 1 cup of lukewarm milk, add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. Mix again. Then add quarter cup of coconut oil or any oil of your choice, followed by 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Mix everything together to form a soft, fileable dough. If the dough feels too sticky while mixing, you can add a little extra flour until it becomes soft and manageable. Knead the dough thoroughly for about 5 to 8 minutes or more until smooth and elastic. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, coat the dough well and set it aside to rise for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Place the dough in a warm spot like inside an oven with the lights on. Meanwhile, let's prepare the paneer stuffing. First, marinate the paneer cubes with salt, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon curd or yogurt. Mix thoroughly and set aside for 15 minutes. Heat oil in a frying pan and add 1 medium chopped onion and half chopped tomato. Saute until translucent with a pinch of salt. Now add the marinated paneer. I forgot to add cumin powder while marinating, so I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin powder now along with some pepper powder and more salt if needed. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until the paneer is well cooked. Finally, garnish with chopped coriander leaves and turn off the heat. Your paneer stuffing is ready. Let's check the dough after 2 hours. It's risen beautifully. Punch the dough down to release the air and knead it briefly. Divide the dough into equal portions. I got 8 balls. Knead each ball and roll into an oval shaped disc as shown in the video. Place the filling at one end and roll it up, sealing the edges well. Repeat the process with the remaining dough and filling. I am baking 4 buns first. Brush the top with milk, then sprinkle sesame seeds, both white and black, for a lovely look and a nutty flavor. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and bake the buns for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden and well baked. While these are baking, prepare the next batch using the same method. The dough and filling quantities were perfect, no leftovers. Now let's check the buns after 15 minutes. Look at these gorgeous buns, so soft and cute. Let's cut one open and check the texture inside. Wow, looks delicious. They are still hot and incredibly soft with that spicy paneer filling. You must try this recipe. It is so tasty. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.